guys, I'm Qasim. So today we're making carrot halwa. So this is 2 kilos of carrot halwa, 4 kilo carrots, too much carrots. So right now we're chopping like this. This is milk. We're adding 1 tablespoon milk, 1 liter of milk. Add in here cooker, pressure cooker. We add carrots. It's too much carrots. It's full. 4 kilo carrots. So my mom mixing. This is my mom. So you're putting 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of milk. 1 liter milk is 2 cups. So this is second cup. This cup is very big, and milk is cold. 2 cups. And 1 kilo. 2 cups mean 1 kilo. So now we're cooking until 20 minutes. 20 or 25 minutes. After 20 or 25 minutes, now first we put a pressure cooker. It's steaming. Look, it's moving a bit. After 20 or 25 minutes later, carrot is gone soft. Don't put anything, just milk and carrot. The white pot is milk. It's milk. Hot and warm milk. Now we're bashing. And now milk is gone. Mashing. Look, we're already mashing. So now we're adding nuts. But we're adding. So this is badam. So this is nuts. So and this is milk. I don't know what's it called. So now we put inside. We're gonna peel it. Make it peel. Warm water. After 5 minutes, all skin take off. So this, look, some skin is already off. So now carrot is soft. We're brushing. Washing. So now we take off skin. We very easily take off skin. We put in plate is 3 done already, 3 skin off, 4 now. This is 5, take off skin. You have to do it all, it takes ages. It takes like 15 minutes. It's very easy, just 2 minutes. So guys, look. I'm mashing very nicely like butter, so butter also. Look, 2 minutes steam is coming out, smoke. Water is all gone. So now we're putting nuts. This is dried semi milk. It's just add water. And this is ghee, desi ghee. And this one is brown sugar. White sugar and brown sugar are not healthy. White sugar not healthy, brown sugar is little bit healthy. So now we're mixing. So guys, look. So now we're mixing. 5 minutes. So now we're adding. This is 2 tablespoons. This is 4-5 tablespoons. Basically, half cup of quarter cup. This halwa needs too much ghee, too much butter. We try to make best, yeah, but it needs too much ghee or butter or oil. Okay, you put oil, ghee or butter. Looks beautiful, very nice. So now we're gonna mixing. Look, carrot is soft, mashing. Oil is coming out. When oil is coming out, we stop mixing. One pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon, and this one is brown sugar. This is green cardamom powder. It's teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. 1 cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon. Mixing. Now we're mixing. Then oil is coming out. Yummy, yummy, oh la la, yummy. Very beautiful. So now we're still mixing. It's 80% done. 20%. So 90% done, almost done. 10% more. So now we put in dried milk. Just 1 teaspoon. 5. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, 6 tablespoons. 6, 7. It needs too much. 8. That's it. Just 8 tablespoons. And half cup. If you like more, you put in more. If you like less, copy me. Then we're mixing. So now, look guys, is 95% done. A little bit more mixing and oil coming out the middle. So look, oil is coming out. Now it's done. Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. So, so today we made halwa. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. So today we made halwa. It's carrot halwa. Carrot halwa is very nice, very tasty. And now we're gonna try it for you. So guys, let's try. Try here. Mmm, very nice. Very delicious, very nice, very tasty. Please like, subscribe, share family, friends. And please eat the delicious food. Please send me a love video comment. And I love you subscribers. Okay, bye guys, bye.